Hallelujah. Because your fellowship is not having an intimacy with God. You cannot pray for revival and yet you're destroying people through what you're doing. You need to consider first. Prepare whatever yourself first. Do not believe when people think like you're possessed. When people think like you're madhabahu ya kwenu. Hakuna madhabahu ya kwenu, ni madhabahu ya akili yako. Wewe ukiamini baba yako alikuwa anao bibi sita yako utaoa sita, utaoa tu. Because si baba yako atakuwa anatongoza, ni wewe na mdomo wako. Unajua, alafu tuna unaambia kwa sababu unajua kwetu bwana baba yangu alikuwa na watatu, mama yangu. So hata mimi nitakuwa na wangapi? Na sio baba yako atakutongozea. Ni miguu yako, mdomo yako, macho yako itatongoza. Yes. So stop saying the madhabahu. It is your mind. Repair first your mind. You can stand like who is this Isaac and say, I know this is generational, but to my wife, yes. To my wife I repair. Elijah has called these people. They have built an altar, but he knows this one is Baalism, this one is Asherah. So I cannot call God to come on Asherah. There are some altars here, I cannot stand on them. What do we do? Break them down. Your mind. Yani tu uliambiwa ati kuna kapepo kanashika ndoa yako. Sasa hiyo kitu imepasia nikwambia kuna pepo anashika ndoa yako. So ikakutia ujinga. So slight mistake yenye mzee anafanya. Hii pastor alisema itatokea. This is coming. My friend, watu wanakosana, watu wanaongea. Kila mtu hata pastor anakosananga at times. But sio kwa sababu ya fahamu kosane. So the mentality that you get, it brings fear in you. Repair your head first. That's why Romans 12 says, renew your what? Renew your what? We cannot entertain Christians in the levels of doing deliverance. I better preach. The word itself does deliverance. If you get the word in you, it delivers you. You don't need to entertain men in the house of God for you to be delivered. Who like you? The word pierces your heart and you feel like this is mine. I take it and it delivers you. Repair your thinking. And when the pastor is preaching here and you fell down, you feel like it is a breakthrough. What which breakthrough? Hallelujah. Sasa unaanza kutembea kwa pamoja. Kwa nikaanguka sasa hii mambo nimeweza. Kwa nini ukianguka ni boss? Leni wakili mama. Kwa kukoleza tunaanguka na pikipiki tunaamuka tuna dust up we go. Hakuna breakthrough until you meet God. And you can meet God where people are not there. And you feel like a touch. Listen, when Jacob encountered God at a place called Peniel, he did not saw anybody. He just felt the presence. He was not in a house, but he just felt a touch of the Lord. Peter is in prison, but because he has not renewed the mind, he only knows when you are here, you are finished. He is dead asleep, waiting to be killed. He does not know anything else. And he can even say, and this thing will happen. James died in this level, so I am next. Mentality. Prepare the altar of your thinking. My friend, it is how you carry yourself. It is what you feed yourself. Hallelujah. Amen. The source of the person who is yesterday before tuongea na mwalimu akaniambia ukiona mtu ana preach vitu zingine hata mtu acha kuangalia mtu angalia anafidiwa na nani. Praise God. Amen. You see sons spreading the gospel, don't look at me. Go and look at the person who is feeding me. How is the person? Hallelujah. Amen. So if you see me with messes, consider my father. Because he is the one feeding me. Hallelujah. And not all food you need to eat. If you can open your mouth for everything, you cannot utter revelations. And that's why Samson was told, my brother, don't take any wine. Oh, kwa hapo ukipata afya, Yeye anaitwaje? You scholar. Kuna nyama mnakunywa sasa predator. Inakuactivate kabisa ukitokelezea. Alinaongeza nguvu ya kiume. Unapata vijana na mapeketa kwa mfuko na jamba kwa mfuko mwingine. Alafu na njugu moja moja. Tuliambiwa na jamaa mwingine Mluya juzi ati usitupe bigiji kwa ajili ya njugu ya kuonjesha. Unajua Waluya wako na mambo. Osoro ni Waluya. Osoro Nyamuto ni Mluya. Ni mkabila gani? I don't know. Mimi sijaingilia mtu. Hiyo ndio mmesema. Osoro. Baraba. Ninge strike maneno. Ongea halafu unapata peke yako. So, nisameni hapo. Bwana Yesu asifiwe. So, uko na swali gani Mark?
You talked about fellowship with God and the like. Now, for the sake of me and others, can you kindly elaborate on how can somebody be in a fellowship with God?
Good. Pige makofi.
There is a point ambayo umekuzia kwamba mama yangu hakuoleka. Na kwa sababu mama yangu hakuoleka, niko na dada zangu 6 wote wameenda wakarudi kwetu. So mimi ni kujiconnect na Mungu ama ninaweza tafutia hawa wengine njia ili ya kwamba tuenende pamoja.
Very good. Mpigie makofi. I want you to get this one well. Altars can be cultivated. And if altars can be cultivated, evil altars can be destroyed. Repairing is cultivating, right? So, when he was saying repair, he first destroyed. Why did he destroy? Because he wanted people to know the true God. What did he say as he was praying? God, let them know who you are. Hallelujah. So, Mayabi, when they know, whatever you need to do is to repair the altar. How do you repair the altar? You stand in the gap and cultivate and say, no, I am destroying this one. And what do you tell God? Let them know my God who is serving. So, you've cultivated another altar and destroyed an existing altar. Mark, you talk about fellowship. Fellowship is very deep. And not all men give fellowship. Until, what do you mean? Praise God. Praise God. Praise God, unapatanga kule mnakuwa mtemkipa. Unapatanga? Kani anajua angalia yake sana uocha anaga simu. But ikifika pap. When you read about Bakuka anasema, and I went to see the watch of God because my watch was lying. Daddy, Abakuk saw things are not working. He went out to see the watch of God. Where's the watch of God? That was the real watch of God. Hallelujah. So let us say Mark 1 minute. When you talk about fellowshipping, to fellowship, you know, we are here, but not all of us are giving what you call fellowship to God. We have men who have relationship with God. Listen, the man who has got a fellowship with God, and God said to Abraham, God said to himself, how can I do things without making Abraham know them? Yeah. How can I do things without, why? Because he was having a fellowship. Kwa familia. Let me talk about Chama. Mbona anapendanga uleria sana? Si yako na watoto wengi. Mbona anapenda uleria sana? Fellowship. Watoto wote ni wa? Na kuna watoto kuna lakini kuna mwenye mwezi pia siku fulani. Why? Fellowship. So, you love all of them, but you only have fellowship with one. There is a man who has got 10 girlfriends, but out of 10 anajua huyu sio kwenda naye kwa klabu. Because intimacy. Bwana Yesu asifiwe. Si kweli mami? Kati ya Mose na Bravo kuna muangalia yako unasema huyu naweza share naye lakini huyu nampenda umchuki, but you don't have fellowship. We have relationship mother too. I was telling Kamu one day that nimefika na reverend at a place where by it is not about the, nilikwambia aje? Nilimwambia it is not now about the ministry. It is not about that is my father. It's about the friendship. When you become friend to somebody, listen, you can be a mother, you can be a father. That one is a title. You operate at that level. But to enter into a level of fellowship, you enter into a level of friendship. You can be told everything and everything can be made known to you. God could not hide anything from Abraham. Not because Abraham was who? A father of faith. But because they would go together. The intimacy. And God felt like, I trust this man. God bless you. God bless you.